let's get into it because I have to leave to get my. So in this clip right here, I'm actually using my glue gel to keep my edges laid down, and you will see a picture of my Skin Safeguard. That is a product that you actually use prior to applying any adhesives to your hairline. It is to protect. So today I'm using the HD wig cap. Again, I need to leave soon. It's a Sunday, so there shouldn't be that much traffic. This is an HD wig cap. Do you see that? Boom. It's super, 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 super HD. Look at that. But I'm actually applying transparent lace wig, and so it's not a frontal, and I'm actually going to.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is on mine.
And my part is definitely not in the middle at all. And the way I know it's in the middle is because it kind of lines up with my nose, the middle of my nose. So I did this on a mannequin. So don't judge me. And this is a 99J wig. So actually pull the hair out so that the part, see how much better the part looks. Let's get it together. There we go. Then I usually just take some powder, and you can use that same brush that you use for your concealer, and just. I use the powder just really quick. And then I have to go. I move so slow. I move slow all the time. Then you want to go with your wax stick. This is actually the one from Beauty by Amour. This one is from my brand. It helps with frizzes, and it really lays the wig pretty flat. We'll get into that right now. So please learn how to use a hot comb. Don't burn yourself, please. See how flat your wig lays when you use the hot comb. It lays super, super flat. The hot comb, and you know, a lot of people ask, how do you get this to look like that? That's how you do it. And so my curls are gonna have to stay like this for now.
It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is mine.
Cutting my edges. And there we go. And so I am in a rush.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. Your love is more than a million. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
I'm going to show you how to keep your curls in. Wrap that around a couple of times, and then just do it all over your hair. Put on your elastic band, and that is how you tie your wig down. Fix your baby hairs, bring them up, swoop them in, and this is my old logo, but you just tie down the wig, and in the morning, you give me massage. Bye, have a good night.